Updates coming in while you talk about why Pakistan is resorting to drones being fired toward India. The debris of the Pakistan projectile has been recovered. It has been found in Jammu. Remember, we told you that attacks have come in on multiple locations in India along the northern and western border. And in the latest update coming in, the projectile has been found in Jammu. So metal fragments have now been recovered. And let's tell you why this is important. One, of course, most significant being to nail the role of Pakistan. And while Pakistan has been claiming that they have not escalated the attack very clearly in these residential areas, in these civilian areas in Jammu, when you have these projectiles being found. Take a look at these visuals on the screens. These are the remnants of the projectile that have been recovered in Jammu. So these metal fragments have been recovered. Pakistan is attempting everything in its hand, from missiles to drones to projectiles, everything in its hand to try and take on India, to try and bleed India. And these attempts have continued. And what you're seeing on the screens is the visuals of the debris that has now been recovered. Now, drone attacks have also continued. We're also getting you details of how the drone attacks have taken place in the border areas well into the night and have continued even now. So, Captain Bansal, as you were saying, just a moment, before I come to you, my colleague Tejasri joining us with that update. Tejasri, what are the details? We're getting in details of the projectile, the metal fragments being recovered. What's the update?
Well, yes, absolutely. Let me tell you that I am reporting just outside the gate of this particular temple. That's the Shambhu temple, and it's one of the most, densely populated area as well. Number one, number two, at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, people usually come to offer prayers and in fact for the walk as well. And that is why Pakistan has in fact, targeted this particular area. And in fact, you can see in the visuals that in this visuals you can see that how this entire area has been targeted. In fact, we also reported from that particular area where the houses were damaged, and now you can see that the intensity of damage was so high that these metal sheets are also completely broken into pieces. That house, you can see that how there are the splinters. If there must have been explosion, then this entire house, the gallery, everything is completely damaged. And in fact, the most devastating picture over here, and I would like to show you over here, that the intensity of this particular blast could have been so high. You cannot even imagine that. You see the poles, the electricity pole is destroyed into two pieces. You see, this is impossible without a massive blast, or in fact you say attack, you can say. So that's the cowardly attack that Pakistan has been making, and that's what we have been saying, that India has been retaliating, giving befitting reply to Pakistan on and on. But that's what Pakistan has been doing, is targeting the civilians over here. You see, this entire area has been barricaded. Jammu and Kashmir police is present over here, but this shows that what kind of coward attack Pakistan has been carrying over here. And also what we are getting to know is that not just in Jammu but in Rajouri also there are approximately 3 people have lost their lives. Several of them have also been injured. But that's the picture that we are getting from ground in Jammu, getting you all the details, and in fact also we also heard, in fact, while we were in our room, that the sirens were heard entire night. People were asked to stay inside. We also were in the bunkers for 2 to 3 hours. Not just that, but continuous shelling, firing continued at the international border, at the LOC. And now in fact it was very much unexpected that something could have happened here in such a densely populated area. Back to